Hi, my name is Alan Jacobs, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Standing around the fire with a cup of hot chocolate is not a bad way to spend a chilly evening. With the right tools, materials, and skills required, you can have one custom made like this. Let me show you how. Today we're going to be showing you how to build a fire tower using corrugated sheets. And I've asked my buddy Ananais Roberts from Pimp My Junk to come share his expertise.
Thanks for the invitation, Alan. Let's get started.
The tools and products you require are Distant inverter welding machine, Distant welding helmet, 2mm welding rods, Ryobi grinder, Ryobi hand drill with 5mm drill bit, Constantina rivet gun, steel grinding discs, Rest-Oleum Speciality high heat matte black spray paint, 4.8mm pop rivets, steel cabinet hinges of 50mm long, measuring tape, 2-meter long ruler, welding chalk, permanent marker, corrugated iron sheets 610mm by 1.8 meters by 0.3 millimeters. You'll need 8 of these. Diamond mesh 2mm thick, rebar 10mm by 6 meters. You'll need 1 of these. Galvanized angle iron 25mm by 25mm by 2mm by 1.8 meters. You'll need 8 of these. 25mm by 25mm by 300mm, you will need 4 of these. 25mm by 25mm by 2mm by 680mm, you will need 4 of these. Angled iron mild steel, 50mm by 50mm by 3mm by 3 meters, you'll need 1 of these. 25mm by 25mm by 3mm by 3 meters, you'll need 1 of these. And PPE. Move materials and tools to the designated work area. In this instance, it is with no workbench at our disposal. The only advantage we have is a hard paved carport floor surface to work on. Using a measuring tape, measure inward 200mm from the edges of the corrugated sheet. Measure perpendicularly along the long line inwards on the top side and on the bottom side of the line, and draw another parallel line from the top to the bottom 300mm from the bottom edge. Repeat the same procedure and draw a line parallel to the bottom line. This will give us a triangle in the center to cut out. Attach a cutting wheel to the grinder using a collared key to tie and untie the collar to the bolted part of the grinder centrifuge. Cut along the marked lines, starting from the bottom corner or the inside marked line on the top edge. Remember to always point the spark direction away from any people or any potential safety hazards. Do this for the outside edges first and then do the 3 cuts for the inside triangle. Measure the inside triangle and cut the diamond mesh 5mm wider on all sides to be slightly larger than the hole. Instead of buying washers, we have drilled holes on the length of angled iron, cut it out, and used it as the perfect washer for this job. We rivet in at the appropriate crest of the corrugated sheet, and this fastens our mesh to our quarter structure. Measure the right length of galvanized angled iron for the top, sides and bottom of the fire tower and cut them ready to be fitted. Using the lazy tongue riveter, fit the galvanized iron onto the sides as per size, working always from the top to the bottom. This part of the process is what will make the structure extra strong. Using the 25mm by 25mm angled iron, cut out 4 lengths of 600mm long and weld them on the corners with an overlap weld. This is the structural hub of the rebar cladded fire tower. Next, we cut out lengths of 12 pieces of 580mm of rebar and weld them equidistant in a row on the structural hub. We have cut and fabricated our door the same way. Time to add some hinges and hang this door. You may want to add a heat-resistant handle to the door so you don't burn while trying to load firewood. Now, place the hub underneath the tower and you're good to go. This fire tower is a must-have for me this coming winter. Thanks, Ananais.
You're welcome, Alan. And as we at Pimp My Junk like to say, from worthless to priceless.
All the products used in this insert you can find at your local builders or shop online for safe and convenient delivery to your doorstep. For more inserts like these, visit our website. Get to builders, get it done.